What's up guys, it's your girl Hypnotic Lady and I am back with another hair tutorial for you guys. As you can see, today I have beat my face. It's been a while since I've worn makeup and I just got bored and wanted to, glam up. So today I will be showing you how to do a lace frontal install using just Spritz. For people who don't know, Spritz is just like this pump it up spray, super hold, by Bonner Brothers. And this is super easy. It's for beginners, people that don't want to use glue, don't want to use gel, don't want to use got to be glued, if they're allergic to it or anything. You can just use just Spritz. The hair company I will be working with today is OMGHerhair. I love this company. I think it is perfect for, again, like I said, beginners, people that just want to start getting wigs, and not necessarily want to be able to tweeze it and bleach the knots. Like, you want all that already done. So I've already taken it out and like put my foundation on the lace just to see what it's gonna look like. So this is the hair. I played with it a little bit. I just haven't done much. Inside the box, you get gifts. You get like a little comb. You get a wig cap and an elastic band that you can sew on if you want to make it completely glueless. And then you have your little brochure telling you how to take care of it, earn points, discounts, and so on and so forth. So this is this is the Gabrielle Union Style Bob. It is 150% natural color, 14 inches. The hair code, if you want to type in the exact hair code, is BOB01, and I got this in a small size cap. So yeah, came in the bag like this, and then this is the wig after like I've played with it a little bit. It comes like in this little wavy texture right here, and then this side I like blown out a little bit, but as you can see, it's super wavy. It comes with a comb in the back and adjustable straps, and then you're going to have 2 combs on the side and 1 in the middle. This is, I'm gonna say, a 13 by 6, like you have this much parting space, and then on the sides. And this is what we're looking like with, and I haven't done nothing but put foundation on the lace. So like I said, this is perfect for beginners, because the hairline, as you can see, does come pre-plucked. And the knots did not come bleached, but I think they had that option to where if you want them bleached, you can do it like once you check out. So this is the wig. Super cute. Very full for being 150. Shedding, I got 1 strand of hair. 1 more strand. And then a couple strands. So I'll say mild shedding, not mild, minimum, just not much. All right, once your lace is cut, it should look like this. And you're gonna put your unit back on. All right. So as you can see, this is what it's looking like after I cut the lace off. And I haven't done anything else to it. Well, cut the lace off and I put foundation on my lace. So now I'm gonna pull this back and fix your wig cap, bring that back up. You're gonna wanna get you some type of cotton swab to clean your perimeter, just so everything works. Everything lays down. Take 91% alcohol. You can use less than that, but since this is what I like to use, I've always used it, I'm just gonna use this. I'm gonna do this in sections so you guys can see. All right. This is what we're looking like. And I can't find my little precision brush, so I'm just gonna use this. I'm just gonna pat. Take my Nutrients Slick Stick so you can see. And I got this at my local beauty supply store for $6.99. Then you're gonna take your hot comb to press out your edges. Now I'm just gonna take a regular spray bottle that I have with just water in it. And I'm just gonna spray the hair. And this is what we're looking like. I'm gonna take a little bit of some of this Anti-Breakage leave-in conditioner cream. I've had this for a couple years. As you can see, it's almost gone, but it smells so good. I'm gonna take about that much. then last touch, take you a little bit of mousse. And this is optional. I just like to do this, kind of like seals everything in. And I said I wasn't gonna do any baby hairs, but now that I'm looking, I kind of want to do some, just a little bit. Nothing much. So I'm gonna take about like this much. Choice, I like to use Glueless knot, the yellow one. And this is the finished look, guys. Again, this is OMGHerhair. This is their Gabrielle Union style unit. It is 14 inches, 150 density, and it did not have what texture it is, but I'm just gonna go ahead and say water wave because that's what it's looking like. This is the back, and it did come in a natural color. I did not pluck the hairline. All I did was put makeup on my lace and added like some down my part, and that was it. Tell me what you guys think. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.